I've been fortunate enough to live and experience the last 44 years of the growth of our economy and the growth that has occurred in the digital revolution as we move now into the AI revolution. And I recognize that there will be more billionaires made in the next 24 or 44 years than there have been in the preceding. And it's names that you recognize: Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Peter Thiel, Mark Cuban. I want to throw some other names out that maybe you're not familiar with. Some women that have done quite well for themselves. Diane Hendricks in the building business. Judy Love, you may have seen Love gas stations. Judy Faulkner in healthcare software. Meg Whitman participating in eBay, and Oprah Winfrey. And I would throw in Taylor Swift and Katy Perry as there as well, as people who recognized change, who recognized opportunity, who focused on their talents and became billionaires. And what I'm challenging you as we move into this weekend is you can do it too. Just allow your mind to see what is happening. Experience ChatGPT and learn how to use it. Experience Google's new notebook LM and see how it can make a way into your life. And imagine how this is going to change our world. Then go over and see what's happening in video. I was just told that I can now do this video, upload it into a piece of software, and then they will create an avatar who will move his hands just like I do, who I can write a script for, or someone else after I pass away can write a script for, and the words will come out of this mouth just as I am doing now, but you won't know the difference. You won't have attended my funeral, and you won't know that I can live on forever. Just imagine how this could change our world, how it could change our education, that Warren Buffett could teach investing for the next 20, 30 years, that Jeff Bezos could teach how to become an entrepreneur over the next 20, 30 years. And it could be available to you at pennies. Because once it's done and once it's digitized, you don't have any incremental expense to hire Jeff to fly to a seminar and put on the education. No, once it's done, it's done. And that's what's going to happen. And if that excites you, just think what that will mean to the medical field. You won't sit down with a cardiologist and you will have the benefit of his 20 years or 30 years or 10 years of experience. No, you'll have the benefit of every cardiologist and every piece of knowledge in the field at your disposal. And you will probably interchange with a bot doctor who will analyze and diagnose your situation and give you a new lease on life. This is what's on the doorstep today. So I want you to spend this weekend thinking, how can I put my foot in that door? How can I be a part of this revolution that is about to happen? And I can put my name alongside of Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Judy Faulkner, Judy Love, Diane Hendricks. How can I do that? Yes, this is your opportunity. The only question at this point is, will you reach out and take it? Or will you watch somebody like me take it? I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. I've spent the last 8 weeks with Goldman Sachs, and they have taught me how to look into the future, how to seek growth opportunities. That's what Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta are doing right now. They are recognizing the power of AI, the power of generative learning, and they're spending every dollar they can to get GPUs from NVIDIA or anywhere else. They're even working on creating their own because this will change the world. The only question is, are you a participant or are you an observer? Come join my community, Best of Us investors, who are working to become a part of this change, who are putting ourselves, even if it's as small a thing, is investing in the right companies. But more important, creating your own small business that recognizes this change and says, I'm going to participate in it and I'm going to be a party to it because I understand it. Again, get on the wave, get on the bus. Let's talk.